Look, you can't go around calling people gay, because people judge you on what you say. Well, I can call you gay, because you done call all these other niggas gay, but you the one who dressing gay. I don't know what just to say. If you really feeling good, I think this nigga don't smoke no weed, just the boxwood. Mine gone, since he mine gone, he can keep going. NCR like a superhero, I might just strong. Stand back with your tight pants if you're talking rough, acting like you catching bad man, you be catching bus. And my girl say she ain't get sex with you, cause she say he's a tall nigga who can't sex for true. She love it more when she rub my belly flexing too. All he do is stand up and jerk off with the erection too. These niggas acting like they mad and miss. Turn up the beat, I want the people here to bumping it. I ain't got no time to play, we're going down. Since you acting like an ass, let's just free the ass. You look like Sunderland's let you out on the weekend pass, and you come around in the grove acting like an ass. But that's up in your cup, so you slip the blue magic. You the type of nigga trip out, and everything get tragic. And since you acting hype, I know this what it's like. I see this nigga last night rapping on the red light. Freaking out like I'll do this shit just for some Sprite. I get codeine, give me $2 for some cocaine. Boy, the only thing you need to run for is some cocaine, or whatever they call it, nigga, go bed. Since you acting like you are and you tough, only thing you gon' get from me is bust fucking up. I be Floyd Mayweather anywhere. The boy want like walking around in summertime with a sweater and a hoodie. You's the type of nigga I'm stupid to catch you and burst you out. And then you acting stupid, all you do is thief old people out. You's the window cracker.